Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link your Instagram story to WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to open up my Instagram application and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. Wait, I'm going to click on this plus icon to create an Instagram story. And I'm just going to pick random image from my gallery, for example this one. Okay, and then before we upload our story, we can edit our story. We can add sticker, music, effect, or maybe text. And once you're ready to share it, you can click on your story to upload the image to your Instagram. Okay, now the story is being uploaded and I'm going to check it. Okay, this is the Instagram story I have just created, and if we want to directly share this Instagram story to WhatsApp, we just need to click on this option. We can select either we want to share it to Facebook or WhatsApp, and since we want to link our Instagram story to WhatsApp, we can choose WhatsApp. Okay, and before you upload your story, you can manage the audience or the viewers of your WhatsApp story here. I'm just going to select, for example, my contact, click on done, and you can click on the send button to share the Instagram story to your WhatsApp. Okay, and then I'm going to open up my WhatsApp to check it. I'm gonna go to the updates. Okay, and this is the story from the Instagram, and here we will get this button view on Instagram, and it will bring us to our Instagram story. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp. Okay, this is the final result, and it will be very useful if you don't want to make the story twice. Basically you just need to share it from Instagram, and the story that we share on WhatsApp will be same as the story that we have uploaded on Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to link Instagram story to WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.